Now is the time for spring cleaning as we await the start of summer. But have you cleaned your dryer vent yet? Hi everyone, welcome to the Homeowners Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Generally speaking, dryer vent isn't on the list of spring cleaning tasks. However, you may want to consider it. Because of the high heat dryers create and the flammable nature of the lint that can get caught inside, dryer vents are a leading cause of house fires in the US. Signs that your dryer vent might be clogged include a bad or burning smell after a load is dried, or your dryer is taking significantly longer to dry your clothes. So, how do you clean them? As long as you have a power drill, most hardware stores sell a kit that you can use, or if you don't want to do it yourself, you can call Peterman, and we'll take care of it for you. Thanks for watching, check out some of our other videos, and come back again for even more from the Homeowners Handbook.